Hello, I didn't see you there. Hi, my name is Jiv. I wanted to share some fun little activities with you. Before I do that, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I am a mum. I have a son called Mikel, and he is 4, and he loves Transformers. And I have a daughter called Alessia, and she loves dolls. So, as well as being a mum, I'm also a primary school teacher. So I thought I would use this time to share some fun activities with you while we're stuck in lockdown. Which I know is pretty tough for us all, but don't worry, we're gonna have some fun, we're gonna get through it and beat this virus! Can you all say that? Beat this virus!
You can do it!
Okay, so the first activity I'm going to share with you is going to be one that you can do on your daily walk.
I love mornings in the park, the light through the trees, the birds, and...
So we're going to go off on our walk and we're going to find out how many different coloured masks we can see that people are wearing. And we're going to mark down on a piece of paper how many of those masks we see. Alright, ready guys? So, say hi to all your friends. Hi! We have got our own little books. Can you show me your books? And
I got some flowers.
Yep. And what are the pictures in your books?
And
Masks. Okay.
They masks.
That's right. We've got a black mask. We've got a floral mask that means different flowers.
Pink.
We've got the doctor mask. We've got a navy blue mask and a pink mask. And you chose the same, Mikel, except the last one you chose to be green. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go for a walk, our one walk, and we're going to see if we can find those masks on people. And every time you see one of those colours, what are you going to do?
Take it.
You're going to put a tick next to that colour in a box here, okay? And then when we come home, we're going to see which one we saw the most of, okay? Let's go! Let's go, dudes! We're lucky we live very close to the park.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Blue.
Is that a doctor one?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's record on it in our book. Come on. Which one's the doctor one, Mikel?
Can't see them.
Good job. So what are you going to do? You can do a little line, or you can do a little tick. It's up to you. Let's hear?
Line.
Okay. Let's hear the doctor one.
The doctor one is this.
Yeah, good boy. Good helping. The doctor one, so I want you to do a little line. Perfect.
Spot.
Well done. Hey everybody. So we have just returned home from our walk and the kids are pretty tired, I must say. It was a nice walk. And they worked really hard on gathering information. This is what we discovered today on our walk. Can you see that? So, we found that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people today on our walk were wearing black masks. And 1, 2 people were wearing floral printed masks. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people were wearing the doctor masks, which are the blue ones that doctors and nurses wear, and other people obviously can wear them too. And 1 person was wearing a navy blue one, and 2 people were wearing a green one. So we were very excited actually to see all of them. We actually had another category here called Other, and Other was for any mask that we saw that didn't belong into any of these categories. So I think it was a purple one that we saw. Okay, so we're going to use all of our information and we're going to make a bar graph. The bar graphs are actually things that big kids do, but I think that you have a go, okay? So this is a bar graph. A bar graph shows different amounts, different numbers of things as bars of different sizes, and they sometimes have different colours. So a long bar would show a large number of things and a short bar would show a smaller number of things. So I'll show you what I mean. Let's make one now. So I've actually prepared all the different coloured masks as a picture. or dad or sister or brother to help you with this. Just draw one vertical line down here. The vertical means it's standing tall, and one horizontal line, which means it's lying flat. And then I've written down all the different masks that we found today. We had black, floral, blue, the doctor one, green, and other. So, who can remember how many black masks that we found today? I'm gonna refresh my memory too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to get 8 black masks, put a bit of glue on them, and we're going to add it. So 1, 2, and 8. Okay, look how tall that one is. Wow! Okay, the next one, floral. How many floral masks did we see today? By looking at this graph, can you tell me which mask we saw more of? Did we see more black masks or did we see more floral printed masks? Did you say black? Well done. It's so easy to compare, to look at the difference between information when it's set out like a bar graph. It's really, really interesting and it's really, really clever. So, next one is blue. How many blue masks did we see? As well, and it was one other, but you can add that in your one if you like. I ran out of room. Okay, so there you go. Ta-da! We have finished our bar graph and it looks pretty good, if I might say so myself. So you can tell very easily that we saw the most black masks and you only saw one blue mask. So it's a really clear and easy way to show your information. Okay, so don't forget, you can actually do an activity like this, not just with masks, you can do it with how many different coloured cars you see drive past. Or you could do it with different dog breeds that you see at a park. Or it could be with how many scooter rides compared to bicycles or skateboards that you see. It could be people's clothing, how many red tops, blue tops, purple tops. It could also be a personal goal. So you might see how many football goals you kick at the park. You might be on Monday, you might kick 6. On Tuesday, you might kick 3. On Wednesday, you might kick 20. And then you can actually record that information. So thank you so much for sharing this activity with me and the kids. I will share another fun activity with you tomorrow, and hang in there, be safe, be kind to each other, and remember it's okay to sometimes feel a bit angry, frustrated, a bit sad, happy, confused during this time. It's a weird time, not just for you, for mummies, for daddies, for everybody out there, but we'll all get through this. Hang in there.